Hello everyone, my name is Renato Costa and this is Aussie Law. I thought it was about time for me to create this video explaining who I am, why am I doing this, and why I think it is relevant for you to watch my videos. I'm originally from Brazil, that's why I have this beautiful accent. And I also study law. I'm finishing my PhD here at the University of Queensland, where I also teach casually. I decided to create this channel because I think this is a great way in which I can share with you some of the things that I'm finding out about the Australian legal system, the principles and the institutions of Australian law. Because I've came to realize that not a lot of people know about it. And I wanted to share this so that more people would have access and understanding of the society they live in. So, this channel is basically this. It's about the facts, the principles, the concepts, the cases, everything that you need to know about Australian law, I want to share with you. Because this way, I believe you're going to understand more about your own society and about the legal institutions and the laws around you. So I invite you to join me in this journey. Here, we're going to learn a lot about law together. And I hope you're going to subscribe to this channel and also watch our videos and spread that with all of your friends, your family. If you're studying law or if you're just interested about it, this is the place to be. Welcome to Aussie Law.